rising 330 meters above the heart of Paris. The Eiffel Tower is more than just a landmark. It's a global icon. Designed by Gustave Eiffel and completed in 1889, this iron masterpiece was initially met with skepticism. Critics called it an eyesore, a useless and monstrous creation. But history had other plans. Today, it stands as one of the most visited monuments in the world, drawing nearly 7 million visitors every year. Each step closer reveals its architectural brilliance. Built from 18,038 iron parts and held together by 2.5 million rivets, it was a feat of engineering unlike anything the world had ever seen. When it was unveiled at the 1889 World's Fair, it became the tallest man-made structure in the world, a title it held for 41 years. At its highest platform, the views are unforgettable. The Seine River winds through the city, passing beneath historic bridges. To the east, the Notre Dame Cathedral stands proudly, while to the west, the Arc de Triomphe marks the center of the Champs-Élysées. From above, Paris is a masterpiece, and the Eiffel Tower is its crown. But this iron giant holds more than just beauty. It has witnessed history. During World War II, as Nazi forces occupied Paris, the French resistance cut the tower's lift cables, ensuring that enemy soldiers would have to climb 1,665 steps to reach the top. And when the city was liberated in 1944, it was here, high above the rooftops, that the French flag was once again raised in triumph. Today, the Eiffel Tower is more than a monument. It's an experience. Whether dining at the 58 Tour Eiffel or indulging in the gourmet cuisine of the Michelin-starred Jules Verne restaurant, visitors don't just see Paris from above. They taste it, and at night it transforms. The 20,000 twinkling lights ignited every hour on the hour turn it into a beacon of romance, adventure, and wonder. Beyond its beauty, the Eiffel Tower is a symbol of innovation. It has been used for scientific experiments, radio transmissions, and even wind resistance testing. Over the years, it has hosted everything from daring stunts to breathtaking light shows, proving that even after more than a century, it remains a stage for human creativity. From a controversial iron structure to one of the most celebrated wonders of the modern world, the Eiffel Tower continues to captivate. A timeless marvel, standing tall over Paris, reminding us that even the boldest dreams can touch the sky.